Look at Buddy going to see these girls. Oh, and then run back. Look at him. Look at he's such a weirdo.
I think he's leaving home.
Look at him.
Oh, man.
Dude, he's so cool. Look at him. He's. Oh my god, if he fucking pees in their shit, dude, I'd be so pissed off.
He found a new home. He's a fan of you. Look at that lucky dog. Now, if I was a dog, see what I could do?
Oh my god, he's gonna pee and they don't even know.
That is funny. Look at him over here.
Get that. There's bees out here. Look at that, dude. God damn. He went all the way over there, bro.
He has a smart dog right there.